It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Experience it for yourself today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads